Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create ledgers in Zoho Books. Understanding ledgers is crucial for maintaining organized financial records. Zoho Books uses the term chart of accounts to represent these ledgers, which are essential for tracking every financial transaction. Setting them up correctly from the start will ensure your financial reporting is accurate and easy to understand. Let's dive into the process. To begin creating a new ledger, first navigate to the Accountant module located on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. From there, select Chart of Accounts to see all your current ledgers. You'll then click the plus New Account button, usually found in the top right corner. This will open a window where you must select the correct account type and provide a clear, unique name for your new ledger. After naming your ledger, you can further customize its details. You have the option to assign an account code, which can be helpful for organization, though it's not mandatory. A clear description is also valuable for understanding the ledger's purpose. If needed, you can make this a sub-account of an existing parent ledger, creating a hierarchical structure. You can also choose to add it to your dashboard watch list for quick monitoring. Once all the details are entered, simply click Save to create your new ledger. Remember, you can always return to the chart of accounts to edit any ledger details or mark an account as inactive if it's no longer in use. Maintaining accurate and well-organized ledgers is absolutely vital for generating reliable financial reports and ensuring your business finances are in excellent order. Regularly reviewing your chart of accounts helps maintain its integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.